Today on ib-haleeb for Women's History Month, I'll be sharing with you ib-haleeb, a Lebanese rice pudding. This is something that my grandmother, God rest her soul, used to make for us when she'd come visit us from Lebanon, and it's something my mother learnt from her and I learnt from my mother. So this recipe is really dear to me. It gives me great memories, but it's so easy to make and it's just so satisfying once you actually try it. So that's why I'm going to share this recipe with you. So let's begin. We'll start off by rinsing the rice under running water until the water from the rice is clear. And once you've done that a few times, you can then add fresh water and set it aside. So for this rice pudding, you'll need a large pot, and using a Little Miss Princess, that's quite important, mug, you'll add 1 cup of white sugar, and to this you're going to add 6 cups of whole milk. Once you've done that, I'd like to introduce you to Little Miss Sunna small wooden spoon. Use that to mix your milk with the sugar over medium heat, and you just want this mixture to start to come to a boil. And feel free in between to snack on something. You want to have grapes, you want to have something else, feel free. Once your milk has come to the start of a boil, you'll be able to see the little bubbles coming up. You can then add your drained rice. So once you've added your rice, make sure you don't miss out not even a single grain. You can then add to this 2 cups of hot water. And then at this point, you just want to give it a quick mix. Make sure it's all mixing together, and then cover it with a lid. And over low heat, you're going to mix it into 5 to 10 minute intervals just to make sure it's not sticking. And after around half an hour, you'll notice that the mixture's become nice and thick and the rice has become soft. So once this happens, you can then just give it a quick taste, make sure you're happy with it and that the rice is soft, and then that's it. Turn the heat off and start serving it up in any sort of presentation thing that you like. And once you've done that, just decorate it. You can use almonds, you could use pine nuts, pistachios, it's up to you what you want to use, and to be honest, you don't even have to use any of them. You'll then want to leave it and set it aside to cool before serving, but if you're like me, I don't mind it hot or cold, and I had to give it a taste and I found it absolutely delicious. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and saw just how easy it is to make, and I really hope once you do make it and taste it, you'll get that warm, loving feeling in your heart, just how I get when I taste it, because it reminds me of my grandmother. To check out this recipe and to see step by step how to make it, go to nosaibasfood.com. You can then search ib-haleeb, and once you do that, you'll be able to see the recipe. You can click it and it will show you the exact measurements and steps to make this recipe. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.